Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Go to system tab in the left side and select display and scroll down and select graphic settings. One click and you can choose any application from the store or from the desktop. For example, I select desktop app and click on browse, and you can navigate in the program files, for example Google Chrome application, and select a setup, click on options and select high performance, for example, and click on save, or change to Microsoft Store app, select a category, for example mail, and click on add and select other option and click on save. And these apps select in a high performance profile, and this is all rendered with GPU. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry for my English, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.